off. You gotta get it on you.
It's too windy.
Hey, I have a piece of gum. You could make it stick with the gum.
Hold on.
I'm just kidding. I'm with it. That is so cool.
Jared, look, they took off with it. They're chasing that one in the front. He's got it.
That is so funny. They're chasing it. He's got it. They want more. Okay, here, you hold it. Hold it.
They're still chasing them way over there. That's awesome.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
I'm so scared. They're gonna crap on me.
Nah, you got it. You're good. He wants it. He wants it. Oh, okay. Here, you gotta throw a piece to him and then hold it up. Take a piece off of it and throw it up until they know what it is. They'll get it. Just wait, they'll get it.
They look so funny. They look beautiful against this blue sky.
That one that got it from me was brave, because he just took it. There you go, nice.
Yay! Look at him.
Holy junk. Oh yeah, they're going at it.